September 15th, Friday. Our Lady of Sorrows, Perfect Love. Here is your mother. Today the church celebrates the feast of Our Lady of Sorrows, though it does not mean a sorrowful feast. Mary's sorrow resulted from her motherly love for her son Jesus. She loved her son Jesus with the perfect love of a mother. The perfect love she had in her heart for Jesus was the source of her deep spiritual suffering. Jesus also loved and continues to love his mother and invites everyone to do so. Their love perseveres faithfully to the end. Mary follows her son closely to the foot of the cross, and in turn, he shows his concern for her even on the cross. Yet we see in our society today that many mothers suffer silently because they're not properly taken care of, not respected and loved anymore. The mother-son affection of Mary and Jesus could inspire us to love our mothers. Let your mother feel that you love, respect and care for her. This feast also reminds us to be patient with our mothers, especially in their aging twilight years, and teaches us to forgive them because mothers do make mistakes now and then. For those of us who still have our mothers with us, let us reflect on, if not now, when we will give our love, respect and care for our mothers. Prayer and practice. Dear Lord, teach us to love our mothers like you and help us to feel the same holy sorrow she felt, to deepen my concern and compassion for all who suffer.